guys, it's Allison from the blog refunkmyjunk.com, and I'm also a co-owner here at Spruced Cooperative at 610 South Kelly, Suite J in Edmond, Oklahoma. And we just got LipSense in the store, and I have been wearing LipSense for years and years and years and years. Okay, I love it. Love it. I can't live without it. And so I constantly get asked daily what color my lipsticks are, how I do my eyeshadow. All this is LipSense stuff, okay? So I'm going to show you how to correctly apply LipSense, because LipSense was actually on the Today Show a few weeks ago, and they gave it thumbs up. They said it lasted, which was amazing because the product's amazing, but the person who put the lipstick on didn't apply it exactly correct. And so that will definitely hinder if your LipSense will last 18 hours or not. There are times where I'm lazy and it's time for me to go to bed, and I put my little head on my pillow and I wake up and I still got my lipstick on, or I still have my eyeshadow on. So I'm going to show you how to correctly put your LipSense on. For some reason, okay, let's see. Swipe left. Oh, here we go. Okay, I think I can see the comments. So if you guys, I'm having trouble seeing my comments lately, and so if you guys would let me know your questions, if you've tried LipSense, if you liked it. Again, we just got it in the store, so I just want to make sure people know how to use it correctly. Whether you're here in Edmond and want to come try it on, we have testers of every single color that we have in stock, so you can always find your perfect color. And I have a problem ordering stuff online makeup wise because I want to try it on. So the first thing is you want to have a clean slate on these lips, okay? So there's a couple things that you can do. I got these for in the store because they're cactus. If you've been in the store, we're kind of like cactus obsessed around here. So you want to clean your lips. You can also use witch hazel. So I'm just going to clean my lips and just make sure, like, any foundation that I have on there. And I'm going to be making those like weird makeup faces where I'm like, okay, so please don't make fun of me. But you want to make sure your lips have gotten all your foundation. Yeah, my bra showing. Anything off your lips, okay? You also want to make sure your lips are dry, okay? Okay, think we're good. So I'm going to use, this is a brand new color that just came out last week. It's called Coralina. I think I can, no, that's not right. Okay, it's called Coralina, and it's brand new LipSense color. So here's the first thing. You want to make sure to shake it up. Oh no, I have a customer coming in. Hi. I'm doing a LipSense demo on Facebook Live.
Having my, just over here, had my glyco, whatever.
Oh,
So I don't, that's okay.
So I'm doing a Facebook Live right now. So
I don't want to be on.
Okay, so just go that way. But just so you not think I'm a weirdo over here talking to myself like I'm something fancy. Okay, so before you put your LipSense on, you want to shake it up. And I don't know if you can hear that or if you can just see my arm flapping around, but it will make a noise, kind of like a can of spray paint. Okay, you want to mix it up. Don't be pumping it, okay? So you're going to put one coat on. So the key is you don't want to be going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? And I like to dip it in and then do the side. Okay, then you're going to let that dry. I'm using the Coralina because it matches my tank top. and my earrings. And when I have lipstick on, it makes me feel like I've done something with myself that day. Like I'm trying. So, okay, see, it's dry. Okay, so you want to do a second coat. Now I'm going to put it in. Again, not going back over. Let that one dry. Now, if you felt like this was a little bit too orangey orange for you, you can always mix your colors. And so you could add, I don't know, I think this rosenberry would be pretty. Let's try this. I could be wrong and this could be a mistake, but we'll just see. So third coat, third and last coat. Okay, let that dry. I'm not seeing any comments. I don't know if my comments are working. Hey, Jennifer. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've used LipSense before, if you've liked it, or if you felt like it worked, or what your thoughts are. Okay, so completely dry. So then your final coat is going to be putting on a gloss. Now, I will say this is something, the gloss is $20. And this was something I was like kind of cheapo about because I'm like, I can put regular lip gloss on. I will tell you, when you don't use the, this is the glossy gloss, so it's the shiniest one. There is matte gloss, and then there's also, what other? There's this one that's a sand gloss, so they've got a little bit of color to them. And there's this one, Bougainvillea gloss. I'm sure I said it completely wrong. So there's some that are color. This glossy gloss is the most popular, and there's also a matte. So I kind of cheaped out and didn't do the gloss because I thought I'll just use regular lip gloss. But this, my lips peeled and it didn't stay on like it should because I wasn't using the gloss. So one thing of LipSense will last the same amount as a lip gloss for a year. So it goes a long way. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's so worth it. So I'm just going to hit this gloss on. And you can see there's not any on the... And this is kind of like... And here, this, once your coat has dried, you can rub your lips together, you can go back and forth, you can do all that, okay? So, there is the lipstick. Now, here's two things that else I use LipSense for that's kind of strange, but that I love, okay? One of them is if you like to contour your makeup, they have ShadowSense, and this one is called Sandstone Pearl. And when you contour your face, you want to apply shimmer to the places that you want to stand out. And so what I do is I use the Sandstone Pearl eyeshadow as my highlighter. So I'm going to put it right where I want. And then I like to go, I feel like this is backwards on. I'm ready to go to war. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. I also like to put a little bit here because I feel like it makes my lips look a little poofier. And then I'm just gonna rub that in. And see how you can see it's accentuating those lines on my face. Okay, last weirdo thing that I do with my LipSense. Here is Garnet. And this is also an eyeshadow. And you can see that's the eyeshadow that I have on. I'm not going to demo that today. If you want to come in the store, I'll be happy to do it for you. I'll probably do it on a different Facebook Live. But I use this to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, so your eyebrows frame your face. And I have pretty light hair. So I just very lightly put it on my eyebrows. Okay, then to blend it in, I just get one of these little cheapy things. And I mean, I barely have to use any. So, lips, highlighter, and eyebrows, all done with my LipSense products or Senegence. But we carry them here at the store. Feel free to come in, try some on. We'll help you find the perfect color, and it's really fun, and it will last all day. If you're out and about and you have a meeting and you need some lipstick, come by and we'll put some on you. So leave your questions in the comments, and I will see you next time.